Data Analytics, Training in Chennai, Aimore Technologies, Chennai. Top Data Analytics Tools every data analyst should consider. Introduction. Data professionals rely on analytics tools tailored to their roles. The goals of analysts, scientists, and engineers are aligned with the tools they use. Data analysts are equipped with a balanced toolkit where Python, R, and RStudio stand out. Python and R programming. Python, an open-source programming language, excels in data analysis, offering capabilities in data preparation, visualization, statistical analysis, machine learning, and deep learning models. The syntax is simple, making it beginner-friendly. R programming, designed for data science, finds use in finance and academia. Ideal for beginners, due to its large user community and specialized libraries. SQL and Julia. SQL is essential for data analysts working with relational databases, providing a basic yet powerful syntax. Proficiency is crucial for working with databases like SQLite, MySQL, and PostgreSQL. Julia, efficient in numerical computing, is gaining popularity. Excel and Spark, traditional but enduring. Excel remains a staple for many data analysts. Its extensive features and user-friendly design make it suitable for both mature analysts and non-technical users. The distribution of data and calculations across multi-node clusters, handled by Spark, is a special feature, which is preferred for large datasets. Integration with Python and other technologies makes it a swift choice for data analysts. PowerBI and Tableau. Data analysis is facilitated from diverse sources by PowerBI, a cloud-based analytics application. Its connectivity to Excel, R, and Python customization, and responsive user experience make it a leading industry tool. The popular data visualization program, Tableau, has a number of unique features, despite its complexity.